For the repair of the Fuji inverter and transformer, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add a 3-phase 440 volt AC power supply, a motor, and some lamps to the inverter's output. As soon as we turn on the power supply, we can see that the lamps light up, and when we turn on the inverter, the actuator of the motor starts spinning. Then we test the reverse action of the motor, and we can see that the actuator moves in the opposite direction. It is now clear that both the transformer and the inverter are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.